Hello, good morning, students. I am R.N. Jha from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Today, I am going to teach you physics of class 9. Dear students, it is the first chapter, that is motion, and the topic for today is velocity. Dear students, generally we use speed and velocity generally in our daily lives. But what is speed and what is velocity? About speed, we learned in previous videos. Now we will learn about velocity. What is velocity? How may we define it? Dear students, at first, know the definition of velocity. The displacement traveled by an object in unit time is called its velocity. The displacement traveled by an object in unit time, that is the velocity of the object. Another definition, that is the shortest distance traveled by an object in unit time in certain direction is called its velocity. This is also the definition of velocity. And the third definition, the speed of an object with direction. The speed of an object with direction is called its velocity. Dear students, at first we compare these definitions whether they are same or their meanings are different. First, the displacement traveled by an object in unit time is called its velocity. And the second definition is the shortest distance traveled by an object in unit time in certain direction is called its velocity. Now compare these two at first. The shortest distance traveled by an object. The shortest distance traveled by an object in certain direction is called displacement. The shortest distance traveled by an object in certain direction, that is displacement. And after that it is in unit time, is called velocity. Means for the shortest distance traveled by an object in certain direction, for this, just in the first definition we used the displacement. I think now it will be clear. Displacement, use the definition of displacement. The shortest distance traveled in certain direction, that is displacement. So if we compare these two definitions, there is no any difference. Now the third definition, that is the speed of an object with direction. The speed of an object with direction is called its velocity. Now compare it with the second definition. Speed. What is the definition of speed? Its definition is the distance traveled by an object in unit time. The distance traveled by an object in unit time, that is called speed. Compare second and third definition. The shortest distance traveled in unit time, that is speed, in certain direction. Which direction? There is no difference between these two. So there is No change. Only words are changed, but the theme is same. Dear students, in few books the first definition is given, in few books the second is given, in few the third is given. Remember all these, but for the exam point of view, you have to write any one definition because they have the same meaning. There is no any difference. Now, from these definitions, what is the relation between velocity, displacement, and time? From the definition, the displacement traveled by an object in unit time is called velocity. Therefore, velocity it is equal to displacement traveled by the object divided by time taken by the object to travel that displacement. So, this is the relation velocity equal to displacement traveled by time taken. Now, what is the SI unit of velocity? SI unit of velocity, that is from the relation we may get displacement traveled. The SI unit of displacement, that is meter. In earlier video we learnt about it. Displacement, that is equal to distance plus direction. Distance, its SI unit is meter, and there is no any unit for direction. Therefore, the SI unit of displacement is meter. By time taken, SI unit of time is second. Therefore, from this relation, we get the SI unit of velocity is meter per second. SI unit of velocity, that is meter per second, denoted by small m oblique s. It means meter per second. Now, quantity. Dear students, physical quantities are divided in two parts. One is scalar quantity, another is vector quantity. What type of quantity the velocity is? Since velocity depends on direction, velocity depends direction, velocity is equal to speed plus direction. Velocity, that is speed with direction. Speed, it is scalar quantity, but it is included with direction. Since it has direction, therefore it is vector quantity. Therefore, velocity is a vector quantity. I think this topic will be clear, and I think you will understand it if just once you revise it. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.